back to my channel. It's me, Mario Shariar, back, and today I'm gonna show you how to make some brownies. And there is a message of the day today. The message of the day is coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus is like a virus that is spreading out the whole world. People are hiding from coronavirus. They're trapped in their houses by themselves. Now, how do we sneeze? We don't sneeze like this. We sneeze like this. Now when we sneeze like this, it's better. The germs all go here. When we sneeze like this, the germs, if we say hi to anyone like this, the germs will intact and go to someone else. Now, and stay inside, and that's a good idea. Now, the other part is to hand wash for 20 seconds, and then we have to do like this, and then like this, and like this, again and again. But I don't remember all the steps still. Yes. Now we have to do it wash like that. Now the other part is that wash from the soap. It's not like an army coming to the earth, to like aliens coming to the earth to defeat us. No, not like that. It's like a little disease that you can't even see from you. So yeah, it will come in your mouth. It comes into your lungs, and your lungs, your pipes of your lungs get thinner and thinner, and then you cannot even like breathe or something. So when you not breathe, you die. So you don't want to get diseases. So you have to like stay at home. You have to only send one person out, or something else will happen. So you don't have to do. Now let's start with our ingredients. First of all, I got some like sugar. Now I'm making brownies. Yeah, brownies. Now I got some sugar. There are one and a half cup of sugar in it. Now let's pour it inside. And then I've even put some pinch of salt in it. Now next up, we will put some like eggs. I will call my mom to crack the eggs. I don't know how to crack the eggs. I crap it all so bad. Now I have cracked my eggs, and I have my eggs here. Now I have the spatula. Now I will start mixing the eggs with the sugar. Yeah, with a mixer. And now you don't have to do it with a mixer or a machine. A machine won't mix it well. If it turns yellow into like an egg yolk or something. So yeah, you will have to mix it again and again. It will turn like an egg yolk or something else. So it's gonna be like super tasty, and the brownies are not crushed. The sugar is not crushed off brownies, so that's very good. Now you have to make it white. To make it white, you have to do mixing and mixing and mixing. Mix, mix, mix. Always you have to just mix, mix, mix. Now I will put some melted butter inside. Okay, just need to take this out. Come out. Okay, it's not coming out good. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. A little bit of slush inside, so I'm just gonna leave it. And I'm gonna mix this guy up as well. Okay, mix, mix, mix. I will add some self-risen flour. As you can see, these are 2.5 cups. I will like sugar, yeah, like sugar, but they're full cups. So these are full. Here are half cups. There we go. The other cup I will put it later inside. Gonna mix this. Ooh, no, it's okay. We'll just flour a little bit. You even have to put some like milk inside if you like to. So I'm gonna put it in the end because milk will all spill down. So now it's like turning into dough and not sticky anymore. Look at my hands. This one has a little bit of powdery, and I'm gonna mix this. Keep mixing it up. Now it's like a cake butter right now, but it's not a cake butter. So yeah, you have to keep mixing it up for a while. It turns a little bit of thick, so you can add some milk or something. So yeah. So you know, brownies are not made without some chocolate. So now I will add some of my cocoa powder. Inside you go, cocoa powder. Ooh, the cocoa powder like makes it a little chocolatey. Of course, cocoa powder is made with chocolate. Me silly. Silly me. Oops, spilling out again and again. Now, I don't think so we need milk. Yeah, no, milk. No milk. Keep mixing it up. Like this, and like that, and like that, and spush it inside, and spush it inside again. Yeah. It's fun to mix it. I made a last brownie today, and it was all burned. That was a failure to me. So now I'm doing that. It was like seriously, it was burned. Outside wasn't even cooked yet, and outside was just burned away. But it was still tasty. So I'm making other ones because it was a bad test. Okay, keep mixing. Now I'm gonna put my vanilla essence inside. Just a teeny mini drop, or maybe a teaspoon can be enough. So you need to like put it a pinch inside. Look at the batter. Yeah, I like the batter. I didn't tell you that I made some cookies last time, and I didn't even send you a video for that. So I'm gonna send a video how to make these. So these were made it lately, so I'm gonna make another video. So let me show you these cookies. These are vanilla cookies that are they were vanilla cookies. I just added some chocolate inside, so it was yummy, very yummy. They come like a taste with cinnamon, and cinnamon's a good taste. I'm gonna keep mixing. Now I have all done mixing it. Now I have even bring my like a Sancho or something you could say. Now I have put some melted butter. Now I will spread all the butter. Let me take all this out. Now I have take this out and I will put it here. Now, oh no. Okay, I can put this now because I need my spatula for that again. Like a dish. It's a dish, not a Sancho. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it like this. Now I'm gonna do it around it as well. So it's like you need this oily brush. If you wash it, the oil will still stay there. So yeah. Now I will pour it in here. Now you go down like this. You have to pour it all. Now this would take a time to take all out of it. Now, yeah, I will show you it when it's all gonna be done and pour it inside. Now I have done my butter. I put all my butter inside. Now I've made some designs as well, like some dry fruits inside. Now I will ask my elders to put it inside. Temperature is set for 120 degrees. Timer is for 30 minutes. I'm baking my brownies. Now they're super yummy. I will show you my little like designs. They're all mushed here, and I take a little chunk. I can take a little more chunk of this. I'm taking some chunk of the brownie already. I'm so hungry. No, they're so good. Very good. Just like this, the brownie. I like it. And thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to watch my other videos. And so to say, after that, we will see you another video on to the next week. Bye.